What do you say, Pickle Bottom?
Who's that? Della. Keep it over here, please. That side's dirty. Keep it over here. Look. Who's this? Who's it?
Hi, Boba.
Who's that? Is that Mama?
Mama.
That is not Mama. Who's that?
Papa.
Yeah.
Papa.
Who am I? What's my name?
Papa.
What's your name? You say Della? Say Della. I'm gonna wash your armpits. Arms
Oh boy,
up.
that's always fun.
Arms up.
Arms up, Pickle. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Wash your feet. Wash your back. Wash your back. This won't tickle. This will feel nice.
Oh.
You sure are pretty
Say thank you, Mama.
and funny. You splash it.
Okay, Della, do you want to say bye-bye to everybody?
Say bye-bye.
Do you want to blow a kiss? Oh, that was a very good kiss. Thank you. Bye-bye.